Hi guys, it's me, V, just a person who will be a straight A student if K-pop was a major. So, ONEWE is out with their first mini album. I forgot the name of it. Planet 9, Alter Ego. Title track is called Rain to Be. Say, I think this is such a good band. Like, they're amazing. My favorite song by them is Parting, which blew me away. And I don't know what it was about that song. It was so just extremely good. And I would usually prefer a more like upbeat, like rock, I don't know, song from a band. But like that Parting blew me away. Like that is still my favorite ONEWE song. But now, Rain to Be. Exciting. Let's go. Ooh. Already liking this. His voice is to die for. Oh my god. I swear, ONEWE might be becoming like my favorite band in K-pop. Like, oh, it looks so cool. Oh, Rain to Be. If you did not know, I'm like the biggest ONEUS fan, so obviously the twins. Oh my god, the water, it keeps getting more. Oh, it's so cool. His vocals, I can't. I love the idea behind the music video. It's brilliant. I'm just mesmerized by the music video. Obviously the song as well, but ooh. That was amazing. That was so good. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't know what it is about this group band that I'm just so mesmerized by and drawn towards. Like, so good. Yeah. let me know your thoughts on this, and I'm gonna listen to the rest of the songs on the mini album as well, because okay. As always, before you leave this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again another time. Bye.